Divide 978 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down the 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 978 divided by 5 is 195 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.